do you make a Delta shower hotter? So here's how you do it. 3/32 Allen wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Place the Allen wrench in the hole and turn counterclockwise. This will loosen up the handle. Pull the handle off. Here it will vary depending on the type of shower you have, but for us, we take this Phillips screwdriver and undo this area. Pull this right out. Pull this out too. Rubber ring in here. Just pull this out. Take a look in the middle right there. Notice that the setting there is a bit hotter, but not like the hottest. What we have to do is we take this green ring out, put it as far out as we can, and there you go. Slide the rubber ring back into place. This bolt back in there. Place the screw back in here and turn clockwise until it's tight. Place the handle back onto this. Handle in place using the 3/32 Allen wrench. Give this a good pull to make sure it doesn't come off. And that's it.